How to check your e-file status on H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your e-file status on H&R Block for the tax year 2024. First of all, what you have to do is simply log into your H&R Block account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the website where you can check the status of your e-file return. This section is typically labeled My Account or Check e-file status. You may need to provide some information to verify your identity and retrieve your e-file status. This could include your social security number, date of birth, and possibly some information from your tax return, such as your filing status and the exact refund amount. After entering the required information, you should be able to view the status of your e-file return. This status will typically indicate whether your return has been accepted by IRS or rejected due to the errors or is still pending review. If your return has been rejected, H&R Block should provide information on what caused the rejection and how to correct it. Follow the instructions provided to address any issues and resubmit your return if necessary. Once your return has been accepted by the IRS, you can continue to monitor the status of your refund using the IRS Where is My Refund tool. This tool provides real-time updates on processing of your refund, including the expected deposit date if you are receiving a direct deposit. And by following the simple steps, you can easily check the status of your e-file return on H&R Block's website for the tax year 2024 and stay informed about the progress of your tax filing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.